Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in Google Earth. Open the app or web version now and sign in if needed. Once the globe loads, click the three-line menu or the gear icon to access settings. You do this because unit controls live in the general preferences rather than per layer tools. Make sure to act from the main interface, not from a measurement dialog, so the change applies globally to elevations and measurements across sessions. Now, within Settings, look for the Units or Measurement panel. It's typically labeled clearly. Select distances and elevations and change from meters to feet, both options if present, because Google Earth separates horizontal and vertical units in some builds. Once selected, click Save or simply close the Settings pane so the preference persists. This converts rulers, place mark elevations, and profile charts to feet, ensuring consistent readings when you measure. Finish by verifying the change. Use the ruler tool or inspect a placemark's elevation to confirm values display in feet. If numbers still show meters, restart Google Earth or clear the app cache so the new preference takes effect. The web version may require signing out and reloading to refresh synced settings. If you still see meters, double-check you changed both distance and elevation units, because leaving one set to meters will produce mixed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.